will show you how to add another account on Facebook. Open your Facebook. Go to your profile picture. It is at the bottom right. After that, scroll down to Log Out. Click Log Out. Here you can add an account by clicking Use another profile. After that, you will be asked to enter your ID and password. If you have, your account will be added automatically as on this screen. Then just click on the profile you have logged into. Congratulations, you have successfully added a new account on your Facebook.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.